Normal Product Reviews, and today I'm gonna show to you a new tech of device. So this is a Wi-Fi on the go, and we use it in here in our country, Philippines. So this is from the network Globes. But before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I only do this for my own, and also I do this for suggestion and recommendation that what is called that you're gonna have this kind of Wi-Fi on the go, and traveling or everywhere. So you can traveling, or you can put it in your EDC. So this is good and this is great, and I I I'm gonna repeat, this is not a sponsored video, okay? So I do it is because I just want to share to you, to recommend and to suggest that you're gonna have this kind of tech device, okay? uh, this is the ultra fast LTE, so you can surf anytime and anywhere, on the go EDC. So you can use it in your phone, in your also in your what is called in your tablet or laptop. So you can use it in your Nintendo Switch Lite, and also in your PSP, PlayStation Portable. So because it is a Wi-Fi connected. So let's start up, guys. So let's gonna change a new angle so that we can so I can show to you close up the device, okay? So this is the Globe. So network here in our country, Philippines. This only costs for only 899 pesos, and it is an ultra fast LTE surfing anytime and anywhere, fast connection at home and on the go. So there is also a free data. This is surf for all 99, and it comes with 9 gigabyte and all sites 7 days. So here LTE mobile Wi-Fi, and best with Go Plus promos, speeds up to 42 Mbps and connects up to 10 devices. So in here there is the logo. So you can download the app in Globe One via Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So let's open it up. So this product here is good, and this is fast. So this is the, what is this called? This is the accessories of the item. So here it is. This is the SIM card which we're gonna put this in this, what is this called, in this packet Wi-Fi. So, and also there is a warranty certificate or warranty card. So for a period of 7 days from the date of purchase, if product is determined to be defective, Globe will automatically replace the product without cost. So they're gonna replace it if there is a defect on the device. Okay, so this is the device, and this is the USB cord, the charging code, and this is the battery. So let's open it up and let's put it let's put it. So there's WPS in here. So I forgot what is WPS. So in here there is a what is this called, memory card, micro SD, and also there is here. So we're gonna put the SIM. So let's open this up. Okay, it now, and then we're gonna put the SIM card on it. So I bought this because I have another, what is called, I have another pocket Wi-Fi, but it is not working well. Is because the signal is not good, and also it's an old version. So that's why I have to buy a new one. It's because this is new, So and then the SIM, here it is the SIM. Okay, and uh, we're gonna put the SIM in here. So this is the SIM, which you're gonna put it in here. Okay, and I think it's not, it's because the SIM is, the SIM card is not perfectly fit, is because this is a three-way SIM, the original SIM, the micro SIM, and the nano SIM. That's why they separate it now. It's because of the technology now. The cell phones are now having supported a micro SIM or nano SIM. So here it is. Okay, so let's put it on, and then let's put this number, and so I'm gonna have there is the LTE Wi-Fi EB34. Okay, and I think you're not gonna know the Wi-Fi key because the numbers are is very small. Okay, the numbers are very small. So let's try is because I want, and also I'm gonna connect it to the Globe One Wi-Fi. So in here, so there it is, the Globe ID and the Wi-Fi key here, and then okay, and then where's the okay button in here? So the red, this is the button, power button. Okay, so long press for the, what is this called, and then I'm gonna connect it. I'm gonna put the, so I'm gonna connect it in here. Here is the, okay na lang po. And so let's add this number in this in my Globe One app. Okay, so let's I'm gonna save this number. So in here, so the SIM card, I just put it in here so that I can have the OTP. And now I'm gonna check that, I'm gonna check the account first. I'm gonna check the number. Okay, and I wanna see the, okay, I wanna see the number. So here is the pocket Wi-Fi, so there's no load. So in the there's there's no load. So if I want to buy a load, I just want to click right there. So these are regular loads, but you can but you but you can find some loads, because you can find some load. So I just have to like this one, and have to find some price. I have to find some load, so I can load any, so I can load any internet promos for this pocket Wi-Fi. So that was the so and now I'm gonna put it back the SIM card. I'm gonna put it back the SIM card in this pocket Wi-Fi that in here that's in this phone. So I'm gonna take it off the SIM card. So I'm gonna take this SIM card off, and it took so long for me to. And so I'm gonna put it back in here. Is because this pocket Wi-Fi supports an original SIM card, not the micro SIM or the nano SIM. So forgive me for the noise outside. Is because carpenter there is a carpenter fixing our house. So forgive me if I have if we have some noise in our house today. So it's because there is a carpenter working in our house. So sorry for it. So I'm gonna put this battery on, and there is there is I don't have to I don't want to see you the Wi-Fi key. So this is the SSID, only the SSID, and I'm gonna cover up the Wi-Fi key. So I'm gonna put it back in the cover. So there it is. So there it is there is the what is this called, the pocket Wi-Fi, the new pocket Wi-Fi from Globe, and it is an LTE pocket Wi-Fi. So I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you so much for watching to my channel, the Vermeer product reviews. And also don't forget to like my videos, and also subscribe to my channel for more techs and gadgets, reviews, unboxing, products unboxing, and everything that comes into my channel. I will make a vlog on it. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay.